So we need to put the second one. So we solve for y. So you add 2x to both sides. You've got them both in standard form. Now you're going to graph using the slope and y-intercept. Okay, what kind of lines did we get with the last one? Look at our slope. Our slopes are the same, right? So what kind of lines are these going to be? Parallel. Right, and this is how you tell. If your slope is the same, the lines are going to be parallel. All right, try this one. No solution, right? All right, on your classwork that I just handed out, this is your first problem. So you can work with your elbow partner, and I want you to fill in all the spaces that are on this handout. So let's do the first one together. Shazak, where do we begin? You begin at the y-intercept, right? What's the y-intercept for the first one? 0. Y-intercept, right? It's going through the y-intercept at 0. Are we going to move, are we going to rise up or down? Right. What's our slope for this one? M equals 2. Or you can also write it 2 over 1. So you're going up 2 and to the right 1. So that's what you're going to put in the second box. You're going to rise up 2 and over 1. All right, so that's how you're going to do the first one. Do the second equation the same way. Where do we begin at? Angelo, where do we begin at? For the second equation, y equals negative 1x plus 3. Where are we going to begin? Where at? We're going to begin at 3, right? That's your y-intercept. So here's your y-axis. You go up 3 and put a dot. That's where you begin. And now how do we move? This tells us how we move. Our slope is negative 1 over 1. So we're going to go down 1 and to the right 1. From this point, down 1 to the right 1. All right. Michael C., what's our solution to this system of equations?
1, 2.
1, 2. All right, so we start here and we move this many. All right. Work with your elbow partners on this. Raise your hand if you need a rule. Volunteer go to the board and do this one on the board. Red, do this one on the board. You can do it.
No.
Yeah, she's good.
I'm an idiot. I need help, I don't know.
All right, Alex. Do this one on the board. Kalia. Shazad. Do this one on the board. All right, you guys, this is easy stuff. We've already done this, right? This should be reviewed for you. Huh? Yeah. So now you move that. Okay.
So first I solved with the y-intercept, with the first equation, and with -2 and then using the slope, I had the line, which is 1 So then I started with the second equation, and the y-intercept is 1, and then I moved the slope going down, and I intersected at this time, which is 1 - 2.
Very good. Shazad, where's your card? For the first equation, what is our y-intercept? For this equation, what's our y-intercept? -3. This is the point where it goes through the y-axis. What's our slope? 0 here? There's an implied number here. 1. If that was 0, that wouldn't be there, right? All right. What is the y-intercept for this equation? What's the slope? Negative 3, right?
So for that,
Negative
it's
3.
negative. You already plugged in.
This is the first step that you do. And you guys can graph it after this, right? So you start at the y-intercept, and you
So
move
this right here is your start.
this much.
So you put that and make that.
All right, let's see if she's right.
What? It's all the gray. What is this? Straight. That's your first step.
Yep, you got it.
I think it's the big mass. It's just 30 seconds.
All right, this is the third one.
We're actually getting the solution. Yeah. The bigger the graph, the bigger the visualization.
So flip your paper over, this is the third one.
So you're rising on is so in the direction that you're going down. So that's your negative. When you go to the left, you're going negative 3 again. But there's always a negative. Yeah. So you have to choose which number is going to take that negative. So you already chose that to be negative 1.
You vote on the number.
So you went down. Now you have to go from there you can make it negative 1. So your starting point is, so your first point you're starting at is on X. That's where the X is. That's your starting point, that's your X intercept. So from this given, you start using the X. So what is your right?
Can you volunteer to do this one on the board?
Yeah.
All right, make sure that you fill in all the boxes. All right, class, the last part you're going to do is you're going to describe the solution.
Like those? I don't think we've gone through this yet.
How many solutions does this have? One, none, or infinite? It has one, right? All right. Haley, you want to come do this one on the board? Not done? Michael C.
I'm not done yet.